Alright guys, so here is the neighborhood. I am walking outside the driveway. As you can see, beautiful neighborhood here coming through. Three-car garage, so this is pulling into the driveway. It's a one-car here, which takes you right into the kitchen, and the two-car garage here. So as we come in, this is a beautiful home, by the way. So as we come in, you are greeted by French doors, which are about 8 feet high, which takes you right out into kind of indoor-outdoor balcony, which we call in California sunroom. I'm gonna 360 for you so you can kind of see where we're at. There's the kitchen. Again, double doors. And let me pan the camera up so you can see just how high these doors are. Okay. So I'm gonna take you back through the home. So as you enter, to the left, you have more of your formal dining room. Very spacious, very open, lots of windows, so lots of natural light coming in through the home. So now as I make my way into the kitchen, dual oven, microwave, fridge. You have a nice big countertop. As you can see, it fits a lot of chairs comfortably. So this will take me into the garage. A lot of cabinet space. Pantry. Let's go check out the garage. So this is the one-car garage I was telling you about. And also you asked in regards to storage. That's how us Californians do it when we run out of space. Alright. So as we make our way back, I'll give you a 180 view here. You have a gas fireplace. Very open, very spacious. Now I'm heading back out to the patio, towards the backyard. This is pretty, this is nice. It's like a resort. So the pool comes through the whole entire backyard. So you have mountain view, you have ocean view, you have a built-in barbecue. And this grass is artificial turf, so it is very easy to maintain. And then once we go upstairs, I will show you the balcony, which has entrance from the loft, which is here, and then also has entrance from the master bedroom. So let's go back through the home. So this is making our way back through the home. This is the two-car garage. They have all their things because they are moving out. Whoops, step down. Very big, spacious two-car garage. Okay, so our first room, we have an office. Then we have the first bathroom downstairs, which is a half bath. So this is the half bath. And here would be the guest bedroom with its own full bathroom and shower. Alright, so coming back through, just so you know where we're at, there's the front door, and here is the stairs. So as we make our way upstairs, as you can see, a lot of windows, a lot of natural light as we go through. Very open. You have a beautiful chandelier, recessed lighting. So our first bedroom at the top of the stairs. Walk-in closet. Full bathroom. Now, a lot of linen and storage space. Again, lots of windows, very open. Laundry room. Now here we are in the second bedroom. Again, walk-in closet. Private bathroom to include shower. Here's a good view from the upstairs to the neighborhood. Very secluded, very private. So those were the bedrooms. Now we make our way towards the loft. Here is the fourth bedroom. Walk-in closet. This one has views toward the canyon as well as the ocean. Here's a good view of your backyard from the aerial view. This room also has recessed lighting. So here's a view from the loft. Now we're on the other side of the house. We came up the stairs this way. Here's an aerial view facing down into the home. That's the office, the garage entrance, and that's the front door. Now as we make our way over to the balcony, unrestricted views as far as you can see. Very decent sized balcony, and we have solar on this property as well. Save on energy. Very energy efficient home with the artificial turf. So this is the master bedroom. Again, master bedroom has unrestricted views as well. Master also has barn doors, slide across. And here is the master bath. On the left side, then you have the separate tub and shower. On the right side, again, you have the vanity, but this one also has for the makeup. And here is the walk-in closet. And that's it. This is the entrance. So when we came in, we went left towards the loft, but I'll pan back around, and this is how you would enter. And there you have it.
So much better now.